Namaskar everyone, this is Meghna. I am presently pursuing my graduation from Hyderabad. I am a passed out student from KV Gachibowli, Hyderabad region. I am here today to thank a wonderful teacher of mine, that is Mr. Kumar Swami sir. I am really very grateful for getting this opportunity to thank sir. Sir is a role model for me. He is such a hardworking and dedicated person. He made us fearless towards the subject. He also used to take out his personal time for making us more better in the subject. He used to take extra classes in vacations, on Sundays and after school so that we could master the subject. The tests conducted regularly by him helped us to manage time and boosted our confidence and knowledge, as there were different types of questions each time. The explanation was a great advantage for all the students because he explains each problem stepwise and never missed any topic, rather gave us extra knowledge. His website www.kumarsir34.wordpress.com is a great contribution by sir for the students from class 6 to 10. It is available throughout the world. It contains many sample papers, question papers and etc. It is helping many students to crack the test with ease. However, how much I say, it's very less to describe such a dedicated, hardworking, wonderful and friendly teacher. Hereby, I really thank Mr. Kumar Swami sir for his dedicated work and hard work towards the success of the students. Thank you, sir.
Hello sir, my name is Babita. I am currently working as accountant in a firm and also pursuing my BCom degree with a professional course, Chartered Accountant Intermediate level. I have studied at Kendriya Vidyalaya Gachibowli in 2015 batch. Kumar Swami sir has taught me mathematics in 10th standard. Sir used to give us special classes every weekend and also used to take every Monday a weekly test. Sir has given lot many easy ways to learn a subject. Sir, you have been a very inspiring teacher to me. Sir, thanks for everything and your hard work. Your sample papers are very helpful for me. And the YouTube channel you have started is very helpful to lot many students. I really thank and also wish you a very success. You always make a student to feel comfortable in their subjects. Thanks for your efforts, sir. Thanks a lot.
Gurur Brahma, Gurur Vishnu, Gurur Devo Maheshwarah, Gurur Sakshat Parabrahma, Tasmai Shri Gurave Namaha. Hello everyone, my name is A. Mokshini Yadav. I studied in class 10th in Kendriya Vidyalaya Gachibowli, Hyderabad. So now I am going to speak about one of my favorite teachers, who is none other than Shri Kumar Swami sir. Firstly, before I speak about him, I would like to talk about the subject that he taught us, that is mathematics. Generally, many students don't like or hate mathematics, and there are various reasons for their hatred towards this subject. And the same was the case with our class too. But since Kumar sir started teaching in our class, many students showed and took interest into this subject. If someone asks me to describe about Kumar sir, there are so many adjectives that can be used to describe him and his personality. Some of them are awesome, caring, friendly, motivating, inspiring, encouraging, energetic, flexible, humble, open, patient, etc. He made maths easy and simple and also interesting by explaining the concepts using daily life situations as examples and made us understand the concepts more clearly. He also gave us shortcuts to solve the problems as well as improve our calculation speed. He always worked out the problems on the board step by step. That made it easier to learn and understand the problem within the class itself. He gave us so many practice questions from every chapter that made us understand what concept to be used in a given question. He clarified each and every doubt of all the students, whether it be an easy one or a difficult one. He even clarified doubts in science too, especially physics. He conducted classes even during the vacations and the weekends to clarify our doubts, to revise the chapters, and even to conduct tests and full sample paper tests for the upcoming board exams. He made us revise the chapters every chapter 2 to 3 times. That strengthened our confidence levels. He even took so many class tests and nearly 10 full sample paper tests for standard and basic mathematics, which improved our time management skills and also helped us to get rid of the exam fear. It also gave us a broader view of the type of questions that were to be asked in the upcoming board exams. As we all know, a picture speaks more than the letters. And also, a picture along with graphics has more impact than the calculations made over the board. Similarly, our sir taught us certain chapters like triangles and circles that consists of theorems and proofs, and even constructions chapter using presentations and visualizers, which proved to be of great help. Our sir made these theorems and their respective proofs simple and easy to understand using visualizer and presentations. He also organized a mathematics exhibition for his 10th class students and encouraged every student to take part in it along with their projects and models that were based on the mathematical concepts. This was a great initiative from his end that made us understand the practical features or aspects of these theorems, concepts, and principles more deeply. He also maintains a blog that consists of sample papers for maths and science for students of classes 6th to 10th. Minimum level material for standard and basic mathematics is also available on his website. Now, what is minimum level material? It's just a question bank that contains key points and formulas of every chapter along with the questions including MCQs. He has also uploaded sample papers for standard and basic mathematics along with the key solutions. And question banks for every class are also available on his website. You can check them all on his website, that is www.kumarsir34.wordpress.com. His diligence is not only appreciated or respected and followed by us, but also by the students and teachers of other schools and several other countries too. The mediocre teacher tells, the good teacher explains, the superior teacher demonstrates, and the great teacher inspires. I personally feel that Kumar sir is one of the great teachers and has inspired me a lot. All his classes were fun-filled and enthusiastic. He has positively affected our attitude towards maths. He has put so much efforts and has helped students to improve their math skills. All the above aspects of Sri Kumaraswamy sir make him the most favored teacher of our school. And I take pride in giving this testimony for his hard work, commitment and passion to make his students better citizens, better scholars, and molding his students towards a healthy future. Thank you.
My warm greetings to everyone. This is Kavya Murli of class 10 from Kendra Vidyalaya Gachibowli, Hyderabad. This video of mine is just a meager way for me to talk about our maths teacher, Mr. Kumaraswamy sir. As a student, I cannot emphasize enough the importance of a great teacher in our lives, but I can definitely say Mr. Kumaraswamy sir was one such teacher. His method of teaching was unique and fruitful. He wisely used today's technology for the right purposes. He used visualizers to explain some chapters like constructions. He also used PowerPoint presentations to explain the concepts of similar triangles and many more like that. He conducted many sample paper tests for maths and science, which helped us perform our exams in peace and complete confidence. He organized extra classes excluding school hours to guide, mentor, and coach us to perform well in our exams. He changed the way we look at the complicated subject mathematics in a positive manner, though. He did not just inspire us, but he taught us to be good human beings with good moral values. They say the influence of a great teacher can never be erased. Sir's teaching is a blessing to everyone and anyone who he has taught, teaches, and will teach in the future. Sir is a true definition of a great teacher. I thank you so much, sir, for being an amazing teacher to me. Thank you.
Shweta A, studying in Standard 10 of Kendra Vidyalaya Gachibowli, Hyderabad. I would like to say about my maths teacher, who is none other than Kumaraswamy sir. He is a dedicated teacher and has taken a lot of efforts to make us understand the concepts clearly. He had introduced new methodology of teaching in our class by explaining certain chapters like constructions and triangles through PPT and visualizers. He had organized a maths exhibition for his class 10 students and also encouraged us to participate in it with various models and projects. It was a very good initiative from his part to make us understand the practical aspects of various theorems and mathematical principles. He had encouraged us to practice maths regularly as well as created an interest in us towards the subject of mathematics. He had taught me maths from class 9th and all his classes were really very interesting. He had also conducted many extra classes during the holidays to clarify our doubts as well as to conduct test papers with a view to make us prepare for the board exams. He had conducted nearly 10 full sample paper tests, which was really helpful for us to gain confidence to appear in the CBSE board exams. He is also maintaining a website which has many useful study materials including sample papers with answer keys. This site is useful for CBSE students of all classes. He had been always very friendly with us and is our favorite teacher. Thank you.
Hi everyone, I am Anushka Sahu of class 10th. I am studying in Kendra Vidyalaya Gachibowli, Hyderabad. I today want to talk about my maths teacher who is Kumaraswamy sir. He is the most dedicated teacher I have ever seen. He made maths easy by explaining the problems clearly as well as by giving shortcuts to solve problems. He has positively affected our attitude towards maths. He is an example of a good teacher who has helped students improve their math skills. He always worked out the problems on the board step by step, which made it easier to learn. He always willing to help his students even when he is with his family. His guidance also helped me to clear my PRMO and RMO exam. He also have a website in which he has uploaded many study materials of class 6 to 10. You can check it out in www.kumarsir34.wordpress.com. He has uploaded many sample papers for practice purpose. Minimum level study material for maths basic and standard is also available. There are question banks of each chapter of every class 6 to 10th, which is very helpful. This hard work is not only appreciated and followed by us, but also by different schools and several countries too. He has also conducted extra classes every Sunday and in our vacations. He even conduct many tests for us to remove maths fear and also help in time management for our exams. His dedication towards his subject and towards us is really appreciated by everyone. That is why he is the most loving and favorite teacher in our school. Thank you.
Hi everyone, this is K. Sai Sirichandana of class 10. I am studying in Kendra Vidyalaya Gachibowli. Hereby, I am conveying my thanks to respected Kumaraswamy sir, our maths teacher. He taught us with much enthusiasm and interest. We can never forget his teachings with love and care. He tried hard for the upliftment of every one of us. All the efforts he made for us became milestones of our lives. He is a compassionate teacher who does his work with determination. He conducted extra classes for us and took many full paper tests on Sundays. I am really thankful to Sir as a Sunday full paper test that he used to conduct for basic and standard students really improved our time management skills. He used to set targets for us in the class which increased our confidence levels. Coming to his website, that is www.kumarsir34.wordpress.com. This website contains study materials for classes 6 to 10th, sample papers with key solutions as well as question banks for each and every chapter. Sir gave us many practice questions that give us a broader view of questions to be asked in the exam. He took classes through Visualizer, especially the construction chapter, which proved to be of great help. At last, whatever we do for him is almost nothing. Thank you, sir. And I'm overwhelmed to get this wonderful opportunity to share my views, sir. And we will never forget your contributions in our lifetime. Thank you.